Hey guys, so I just got a package from Rave Wear. So excited. I picked these out just the other day. They got here so fast. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got. We're gonna do a little unboxing. And I'm probably gonna wear this tonight because I'm actually going to a show tonight. So Rave Wear has the cutest little tissue paper with feathers on it, but this stuff is so fun that I got. So I got 3 items. This is very Alice in Wonderland. It's the Wonderland wrap bikini top. I got it in a, let's see, I think I got it in a large or extra large. Let's see. I think I got a large or extra large. But guys, how cute is this? Look at the print. I love it so much. It's so pretty. And I'm just gonna wear it with black bottoms because it has like the black on the side, but it's giving Wonderland. So cute. And then this is a part of one of their newer collections. It's like the Happier collection, which is very like trippy looking and fun. And I am obsessed with this. This is the mini skirt. How pretty is this print? It is in a 1X, and then I got the arm sleeves here to match. I love them so much. It's gonna make the cutest little outfit. I'm probably gonna wear this tonight. So I'm gonna do the mini skirt with a black, maybe a pink top, maybe a hot pink top, and then with the sleeves. Like, oh, it's gonna be everything. So I'll make sure I show you guys the outfit later. But thank you, Rave Wear, as always. #1 fan here. I can't wait to wear it.